Hi, today let's learn about folding activity from Montessori. Folding clothes is a wonderful Montessori exercise in building independence, confidence, and motor skills. This activity not only helps children develop a better sense of muscular control, it also provides a lesson in exactness and rigor, laying the foundations for later geometry work. And now you can watch first how to do the folding activity.